Years ago, in Hans Achterhuis' philosophy class at the University Twente, I learned a profound idea. Technology is a product of humans. So we are always more than what we create. This insight shapes my view of AI today. In this short talk, we'll explore AI as an ethical mirror. Drawing from Achterhuis' De Maat van de Techniek, The Measure of Technology, Achterhuis highlights thinkers like Heidegger and Ellul. They see technology as a moral force. It measures our behavior. For example, subway turnstiles enforces honesty, without a single word. He argues technology exerts moral pressure, guiding us better than laws. But he balances critiques with an empirical turn, focusing on real-world engagement. Now apply this to AI. AI isn't just a tool, it reflects our consciousness. Algorithmic biases mirror societal flaws, urging us to confront them. Recommendation engines nudges us into echo chambers, but we can use AI for self-audit, like journaling apps that dissolve ego illusions. Humorously, AI is your digital therapist, knowing your search history better than you do. We co-evolve with AI. Studies show it boosts well-being like chatbots, easing loneliness. Classically, technology alienates us. Empirically, it mediates relationships, letting us transcend our creations. Inspired by Achterhuis, AI holds up a mirror to our blind spots, compelling us to transcend ego illusions. This invites co-evolution with machines, not as rivals but partners in enlightenment, recalibrating our inner math to foster collective brightness over darkness. As Achterhuis taught, we're more than our creations. Let's use AI to disrupt consciousness and embody the light.